Hi everyone, I'm Agnieszka from Publitas Customer Success Team. In this tutorial, I'll tell you how to update billing information in your account. Let's move to the platform. For any activities related to billing information, we always start by going to Manage Account section located in the top right menu and navigating to Payment and Billing Details. Here, whenever applicable, you can update your credit card details and update any billing information, for example, when your company address changes. You can also adjust the email addresses that should receive invoices. If you make any changes, always remember to click Save Billing Details button to apply them. And that's all there is to know about updating billing information in Publitas. If you have further questions or need assistance, you can always reach out to our support team. Helpful articles from our knowledge base are linked below. Thank you for watching, happy publishing, and see you in the next one.